Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I'm Judy and this is John. You are listening to J&J English Cafe.
So, grab a cup of coffee and join us for a chat.
Today, we're going to spend a few minutes learning something useful together.
I'm ready. Let's get started. Hello everyone. Welcome to the show. Judy, I am looking at my coffee bag today. It has a strange word on it. It says, natural. What does that mean?
Oh, hi John. That is a great question. That word tells us how the coffee was made. We call it the process.
The process? Is it not just growing a bean on a tree?
Well, yes, but coffee is actually a fruit. It looks like a red cherry. We need to take the bean out of the fruit.
Oh, I see. So, how does the natural method work?
Think of the sun. In the natural method, farmers put the whole red fruit under the sun. They wait for many days. The fruit dries slowly around the bean.
Wow. Does the bean get the flavor from the fruit then?
Exactly. Because the fruit is there for a long time, the coffee tastes very sweet. It often smells like berries or tropical fruit.
That sounds delicious. But I also see another word sometimes. Washed. Do they just use water?
Yes, they do. In the washed method, farmers remove the fruit skin first. Then, they put the beans in big tanks of water. The water cleans everything off.
So there is no fruit left on the bean when it dries?
Correct. These beans are very clean. The taste is not as sweet as the natural method. It tastes a bit sour, like a fresh lemon or a green apple. Many people think it tastes very bright.
Bright coffee. I like that. Wait, I saw one more. Honey process. Do they add actual honey to the coffee?
No real honey, John.
Oh. Then why the name?
Well, when farmers remove the fruit skin, a little bit of the sticky fruit stays on the bean. This sticky part looks and feels like honey.
Ah, so they dry the bean with that sticky part?
Yes, it is like a mix. It is not as dry as washed and not as heavy as natural. It is right in the middle.
Interesting. So, it is sweet but also clean?
You got it. It is a balance. It is a very popular way to make coffee now.
Wow, I never knew the sun and water could change my coffee so much.
It is amazing. Right? The next time you drink coffee, try to taste the sun or the water.
I will. Thanks, Judy. Let's go get a cup of honey processed coffee now.
That sounds perfect. Let's go.
Wow, that was a very interesting topic, Judy. I hope our listeners enjoyed it too.
I hope so. If you like the vibes here at our cafe, please subscribe and give us a 5-star review.
Also, don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list and today's key phrases.
Thanks for stopping by J&J English Cafe. We'll see you in the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.